My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, I received my BOXYCHARM. Okay, I got it in the mail and I wanted to share it with you. Now, I would also like to share with you the fact that BOXYCHARM did something different this month, and me, I am all about saving a tree. So I am ecstatic to show you. There are so many who are kind of feeling like they did not get their box insert this month. Well, I am so excited because I am all about saving a tree, okay? And I received what BOXYCHARM is calling their virtual February insert, and that's it right here. So I already know the items that were in my box. So I have this now, and now I have my box. So we're going to put them together and we're going to see exactly what's inside and match it up with what's on our February insert. When I open it up, it says the Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage, a 24-hour foundation. I do sincerely hope this is not going to be another one of the concealer jobs. Y'all know how I felt about that and what that looked like. So, according to this, it says a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with a breathable natural finish. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $44. Here it is. Okay, come on, y'all. We might actually have a match. The shade that I received is called Sienna. If it's like the box, it might be a little red. Okay. Here we go. Alright, let's see. It's a little dark, but I can make this work. See, because my hands are, look, okay. Well, we'll see what we can do. With this, I'll probably end up mixing it with something else or passing it along to one of my daughters. At least it was so much closer. The concealer, my daughter-in-law is enjoying that. Okay, so the next item I received is the Luxy Beauty Complete Sponge Set, and that's this right here. Really interesting, y'all, because I just purchased quite a few sponges from Shop Miss A, but nonetheless, this is what I received, and this is the Luxy Beauty Complete Sponge Set. This set of sponges provides a full array of applications. Each sponge is built with different densities, water retention rates, and shapes. These sponges are the ideal complement to your brush set to obtain a perfect complexion and impeccable look. What? It says manufacturer suggested retail price is $40. I do like the packaging that it comes in. So we just open it sides out like this. Okay, this is the shape of the first sponge. Of course, it does have the pointed side there. And then here, I guess this is designed to get under your eye. which I like, and they're extremely soft. So then the second one, y'all know I have a sponge like this because I do use that one often as well. And the third one is a mini. Okay, very nice, very, very nice. So that is the sponge set. This is to bake, to contour, and for detail. All right, and the next item that we have is the Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. Okay, and this says Supernova Moisture Plus Shine Cream is a weightless leave-in cream that provides superior hydration, detangling, and lightweight conditioning, leaving hair supernaturally soft and smooth with brilliant shine. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $25. It smells nice. This one did not have a safety seal on it, so we'll see what to do about this. It might go into a giveaway, but I usually don't like to put things in the giveaway that don't have safety seals. So we'll see how it works from there. Then, next item that I have is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance. Is that better? Okay. It's the Facial Radiance Pads, a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $18. This one is indeed safety sealed. I'm going to check in on this one later on because I do have a First Aid cleanser that I received a few months back in my Allure Beauty box. So we'll check that out later. Now, the last item that I received is Kveen. The packaging on this is really cute. Okay, this is a matte liquid lip stain. See, they're going to that a lot lately. If you're a full coverage enthusiast, this matte liquid lip stain is your superhero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in one coat with 12-hour performance. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $17. So, oh, I like the shade, if it's indeed like the box. This shade is called Monroe. Woohoo! Okay, let's just swatch it and see. Oh my God, I am excited to wear this shade. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, so I am understanding some of the comments on Instagram because they were a little upset that they did not receive, you know, the normal bubble wrap and stuff like that in the packaging. However, these items, there's nothing in here that would have shifted and broken, okay? The foundation is wrapped very nicely inside of, you know, the box that it comes in normally. So, although I do understand we have become accustomed to something and it seems as if, you know, things are changing because BOXYCHARM is getting larger. However, think about the whole thing before we get upset. So nonetheless, I thank you so much for deciding to spend time with me on today. I will list the box total and the variation. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.